All right, so someone just sent me this invitation for Flipsnack. So I'm going to go ahead and accept this invitation and let's see what happens with this. So once I've clicked on the invitation, I'm automatically taken right to a classroom that appears to look familiar. Look at that. There is, oh, that's not what I wanted. Shoot. Maybe it is. Okay. So as you can see, I'm in this new screen right here, and I'm going to go ahead and upload my PDF of my book straight to Flipsnack so that I can create a cool book. Now I can do this two ways. I can upload it from my drive. So if you've converted it to a PDF and it's still in your Google Drive, that's great. Otherwise, I can just drag a file straight there. It will create my informational book. When I hit next, it'll take me to the customization of this informational book. All right, so first thing to do is there's two options. There's a classic skin and a new skin. It appears that the new skin offers you a little slide bar down at the bottom, so you can click through with the slides and you can zoom in or out. That seems to be the biggest difference between the new skin and the old skin, but you can check that out for yourself. You can also choose the background for your screen. You can have it be textured, right? Remember that the more texture you put, the more distracting it's going to be for your reader. You can also do a hardcover effect. You can put a binding on the hardcover. That's kind of cool. And that's something that you could use later on if you wanted to play with that. But otherwise, this is pretty much your book right here. There it is, turning the pages. You might also see, hey, wait a minute. I actually need a cover for my book. That little title page that I created is not going to be enough. So take a time right now, go back, edit it, and then upload it again. Once you have completed your customization, and I would play around with all of these options to see what you like. Obviously, we're not premium, so we can't do the premium features, but we can figure out a bunch of different style. We can do the double-sided or single page, either one, whichever one you like. You can look at the controls option. You can enable the PDF download, enable PDF print. So these are things that you may want to do for your parents or for your family so that they can keep copies of these books for you. I would recommend the PDF download is the easiest one. So just have them be able to download it. If you want them to be able to search for your flip book, you can have the search feature enabled. That will, have them search for like keywords, do something like that. There's also an editor feature. At this point, you probably won't need the editor feature. That will be something that you could do before you put it in the upload. All right. We click next. And here's the important part. We need to make sure we have the proper title here. This might be a title with your author's name. It might not. Maybe it's just the title. And we need to insert the description. So this is a informational book about pet abandonment. Okay. Choose our category, marketing, fashion, photography. I figured most of them probably are going to be educational. So that's the easiest one, but it looks like you can choose multiple. So maybe it's literacy and I don't know what else, other options. You can choose other options too. Okay, then you want this to be unlisted. That's really the key with this one is we're going to have it unlisted. You can share it. In the next screen, we'll see how to share it. All right, so once I'm done here, now I have my beautiful flip book ready to go, my Flipsnack book ready to go. I can open it and it turns the pages. Very cool. You can see it in full screen. You can edit the link name, embed it if you want to put it on a website. You can view it live or you can edit it. I would recommend the only thing you really need to do is this one here. So go ahead and copy the Flipsnack without branding. copy it, and then that's the one you're going to share with me and the one that you're going to share with your families. Other than that, there's a whole bunch of other options. I tried this download. It is exactly the same thing. If you uploaded a PDF, it downloads a PDF. That's it. And that is how you're going to publish your ebooks.